We should be on job.
Yo, what are you doing? John, let's go. Who is Tony? I do not know why did I add a guy named Tony?
What is this? Oh, who's this? Finally. He wants a bag full of unreleased items. Me. Oh! You have to give me a couple of suitcases, so. You have to give me loads of suitcases. Are you the one? No, I'll give you an unreleased.
Here, I'm gonna fly.
Thank you. Alright, I'm gonna give Green the unreleased item since he gave me a suitcase first. Can I get some? Can I get like?
I wonder what this is.
Look what I have. Look what I have. You brought me the suitcase.
Hey, buddy. Let me revive you. Buddy, it's gonna be too much fun. Just hold me.
I have a hard gun. I could spawn more crates, but I just can't.
Shut up, Doonut.
I sell it. It's fine. Yeah, I can spawn more crates, but I have to uninstall my game. I have to spawn more crates, but I have to uninstall my game. And I don't know what to do. Alright, I want that.
Guys, let's sell something until the machine
Yeah,
explodes.
so me.
Whoa!
I swear, stop.
Alright.
We'll do something else you want.
Yo, stop being racist. I'm sorry, it's so funny. I like seeing you guys just jump around.
Sell nothing, guys. Sell nothing.
Abu, come here.
Oh, turn away.
Yeah.
Oh, guys.
We need to sell it about one time. I just got on.
I edit this video.
Guys, I have the new broccoli. Yeah, I also have. Don't take out the backpack. Look, I have the new broccoli. Yeah, what is that for backpack? Why is it so big? How do you get a big backpack? I have a bag
Hey,
full
I'm
of
grabbing you to a
landmines.
very special place.
Can I have one? Can I have a bag full of I have two actually. Can I have one? Whoa, this you know who wants this red suitcase? Whoever wants this red suitcase, their wish is my command. Thanks. I was actually looking for
Who wants this nut shredder? You want it?
Guys, no, it's a new voiceover. It's a new voiceover.
What do you think? What do you expect?
Alright guys, I think he's going to give me a grappler for a sec.
Guys, tell me in the comments what is your
I'll
favorite
give you a grab.
X-Men or like superhero.
God, look what I just found. Suitcases inside. Look what I just found. It's gonna give me a
Why is it
grappler.
cook?
My I
I'm gonna kill.
Whose camera is this?
You know what I'm saying?
Whose camera is this?
What's a white suitcase?
Can I have it? Can I have it? What's in this?
I put music in this. Oh, what's this? Let me go. Oh. Thank you.
Alright, who wanted a bag full of landmines?
Me.
Me.
So dark. Oh, my phone.
It was me. It proves that there's landmines in here. You do? No, don't.
I wanted it.
I know there's landmines in there.
Got it.
It was me. Jimmy, Mo, Ketchup, Tiger, whoever gets a